Guatemala Government College was truly a dreamscape. Nestled in the lap of lush green hills, its location was breathtaking, and the open air seemed to perpetually carry a message of peace. However, the college's true beauty lay in the diversity of its students, who hailed from the Chakma, Marma, Tripura, Bengali, Buddhist, Hindu, Christian, and Muslim communities. In the beginning, due to different languages, varied attire, and distinct festivals, small, isolated groups formed. It was like a vast canvas where the colors, though beautiful, remained separate. There was no hostility towards one another, but there was an invisible wall, a wall of identity. The breaking of that wall began soon enough. The Bridge of Differences. The college's annual cultural week was approaching. The principal introduced a new rule. Every performance had to feature students from at least 3 different communities working together. While students initially hesitated, Nikash, Chakma, Buddhist, and Sajid, Bengali Muslim, both 11th graders, took the initiative. Nikash was an expert in traditional hill tribe folk dance, and Sajid played the flute beautifully. They decided to create a fusion performance, blending the Chakma dance movements with the soulful melody of Sajid's flute. They were soon joined by Arunima, Tripura, Hindu, who taught them the steps of her traditional Goria dance. Next came Thwinu, Marma, Buddhist, who was excellent at stage decoration, and Anjali, Bengali, Hindu, who helped coordinate the performance with an English song. As they worked together, they discovered that their differences were not creating distance. They were, in fact, enriching their performance. When Sajid played the flute, Nikash felt the Chakma love for nature in his tune. When Arunima taught the Goria steps, Thwinu understood that the dance was not just movement, but a prayer for a good harvest. They ate together, laughed together, and shared stories of each other's festivals. A new tune of harmony. The day of the cultural week arrived. When Nikash, Sajid, Arunima, Thwinu, and Anjali's team took the stage, their performance was not just a dance or a song. It became a living example of communal harmony. The Chakma dance set to the flute's tune, Goria Madras coupled with modern stage design. It was an extraordinary creation. The audience was mesmerized. They witnessed how diverse cultures could merge into one beautiful chord. Following their success, others were inspired. They realized that their ancestral identity was not their true identity. Their true identity was that they were all students of Guatemala Government College, sharing the same dreams and growing on the same soil. That day, the principal said in his speech, "Look, every tree and every flower on this hill is unique. Yet they all come together to create this scenic environment. You are all the same. You are not different. You are special.